Hi everybody. B. Today we're going to talk about patterns, right? Last week we talked about shapes, circles, triangles, and all that jazz. This week we're going to talk about patterns. And you might ask yourself, what is a pattern? I don't know. A pattern is something that repeats. It does the same thing over and over and over again. It never changes. If it doesn't do the same thing, then it's not a pattern. If I said A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, that's a pattern, right? Every time I say A, B, I do it the same. But if I did this, A, B, A, B, A, B, C, A, B, A, no, that wasn't a pattern, was there? Because there was one that was different. So when we do patterns, it's the same every time. It goes in the same order every single time. And we're going to do a few together. And then I'm going to set you free on a couple of worksheets. Very easy this week, okay? You guys will have no problem with it. Whoopsie. That's a copy of the pattern. That's too easy. All right. Let's get these out of here. This is what you're going to see most of the time when you're asked to do a worksheet or something. You're going to see pattern and they're going to say, finish the pattern. All right? So let's figure out what our pattern is here. Let's see. Green circle, blue square. Green circle, blue square. Let's see. Green circle, blue square. Green circle, blue square. We have to ask ourselves, what comes right after blue square? Now, if I'm not sure, I can go back in the pattern to check. Let's see, I got a blue square. I need to know what comes next. Oh, here's a blue square. What came next? Green circle. Green circle did. Ah, easy enough, right? So I bring up green circle. Now we need to continue the pattern. I don't know what comes right after green circle. Let's go back and find another green circle, and we'll see what came next. Oh, here's one. Green circle, blue square. Blue square did. Ah, there we go. Oh, I got blue square, but I need to know what comes right after. I'm going to go find another one. Let's see. Oh, here's one. What came right after blue square? Oh, green circle did. Green circle did. Now, I'm going to go back to the beginning of my pattern and make sure that what I did works. I'm going to check my work. Let's see. Green circle, blue square. Green circle, blue square. Green circle, blue square. Green circle. Yeah, that works, doesn't it? That works. Let's try another one, and then we'll make some patterns on our own. Oh, this one's a bigger pattern, isn't it? Yeah. Yellow circle, green square, blue triangle. Yellow circle, green square. I don't know. Let's see. I need to know what comes right after green square. Let's see. So I'm going to go find another green square. And what came right after this green square? Blue triangle did. Green square, blue triangle. Green square. No. Blue triangle. Yeah. Green square, blue triangle. Now I need to figure out what comes right after blue triangle. Here's blue triangle. What comes right after? I don't know. Let's go find another one and see. Here's one. Blue triangle, yellow circle. Yellow circle comes next, doesn't it? So blue triangle, yellow circle, blue triangle, yellow circle. Yeah. Looking good, baby. Looking good. Now I need to find what comes right after yellow circle, don't I? So let's go back. Here's a yellow circle. What came right after yellow circle? Green square. Green square did. There we go. Now, I've got my pattern finished, but I want to make sure I did it right. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to check and I'm going to say it and make sure it makes sense, okay? Yellow circle, green square, blue triangle. Yellow circle, green square, blue triangle. Yellow circle, green square. Yeah, it was the same every time, wasn't it? Let's make one on our own. And we're going to make a tricky one, okay? Mr. B's going to put one together here. Let's say this one. Yellow circle, red square. Yellow circle, red square. Let's see, well, right after this red square was a yellow circle, right? Now, sometimes patterns will have two things in a row that are the same, and I see kindergartners making this mistake. Watch me closely. I will see kindergartners do this. Now watch. They'll say, well, what comes right after yellow circle? And they'll go back and find a yellow circle and say, red square. But here's what we have to remember about a pattern like this. They are two yellow circles in a row. So before I can go to red square, I have to have two yellow circles. Do I have two yellow circles here? No, I have one yellow circle. So I need to make sure I get two yellow circles, then my red square. And I see this a lot in kindergartners' work. Okay? So be very careful of a pattern like this, where there's two of the same thing. So when I go yellow circle, I said yellow circle 2 times. So remember when you're finishing the pattern to make sure you've got yellow circle 2 times. Okay? Because every time there's yellow circle, there's 2. Yes, I know, that gets a little dicey, doesn't it? All right. In your packet work, you've got some pattern, some exercises that look something like this. Now, yours may be in black and white, and that's okay. All right? What you're going to do is you're going to circle the shape that comes next, right? So we're going to do it just the same as we did. And look right off the bat. Got blue, red, purple, right? There's 2 of these in a row. So I'm going to have to be very careful that I see 2 triangles in a row. Because look, they're asking you that right here. So if I was going to circle the pattern that comes next, I got to make sure I have 2 triangles, don't I? So the answer there would be triangles. All right. Do your best. Ask Mommy for help if you need to. Ask your brothers for help if you need to. These can be tricky. All right, kindergartners, do your very best work. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.